તમે બધા આટલી મોટી સંખ્યામાં અહીંયા આવ્યા, અમને આટલો સપોર્ટ કર્યો, એ બદલ અમે તમારા ખૂબ ખૂબ આભારી છીએ. This last year has been very tough on all of us because of the pandemic. It all hunkered us down. We had a new normal. We were locked down. We were sent away from our loved ones. The children, the most resilient ones, they were hunkered down as well. They had to do their schooling all on Zoom. But guess what? We worked hard. We stayed together. Now we are all here. Look at all around you. Look at this beautiful venue. Look at this setup. This committee has worked really, really hard to put a great show for all of you. So I really hope you enjoy it. And before we kick off the show, I'd like to tell you a story. A few years ago, when I was going for my US citizenship, the presiding judge over the oath ceremony said a thing that has stayed with me up till now, and I think it'll stay forever. What he said is, while you're giving away or giving up your citizenship of your country of origin, we do not want you to give up your culture, your language, your food, your habits. Keep it all, bring it all together in the United States so this can become a multicultural society. And that essentially is at the core of San Fernando Valley Gujarati Association. This association is formed to essentially take the culture forward, to retain our values, to retain our heritage, and pass it along to this wonderful next generation. So I would like to take this moment to just give a big round of applause to the founders of San Fernando Valley Gujarati Association. It's been 40 plus years since this is going on. The association is around, and we are so grateful and thankful that we have this stage, we have this platform to share this idea and just share these experiences. You know, we have a wonderful performances for you. These kids have worked very hard, as I said earlier. What we want to do is just set some ground rules. So row number 1 is for our participants only. So it's reserved for our participants. And the way we're going to do it, as you've seen, there are 19 items. When act number 1 is going on, those participants are going to line up at the backstage. The next act will line up and sit on row 1. And the act that is performing, that they're going to be the stage, the next act is going to be backstage, and the third act is going to be lining up in row 1. So that's the order we're going to do. With each act, I'll announce who to go, who should go backstage, who should be in here, etc., so that we can keep the show moving. I know that we are all seeing each other after a very long time. આપણે ઘણા વખત પછી એકબીજાને મળ્યા છે, એટલે આપણે એકબીજાને વાતો કરવાનું બહુ જ મન છે, આનંદ છે. But at the same time, these kids have worked very hard, and you're going to hear that again and again and again because they have really worked very hard. So please, when the performance is on, please do not have any conversation with your neighbor at that time. The encouragement is fully welcome. તાળી પાડો તો એવી પાડો કે મંદીના ભાવની નહીં, તેજીના ભાવની તાળી પાડવાની. સ્ટોક માર્કેટમાં આવી તેજી આપણે ઘણા વખતથી નથી જોઈ સાહેબ, તો આવવા દેજો તાળી ફૂલ ઓન. અને આપણે તો ગુજરાતીઓ છે ભાઈ, મંદીમાં પણ આપણે ર લગાવીને મંદિર બનાવી દઈએ એવો આપણો એવી આપણી સંસ્કૃતિ છે. અને તમે બધા અહીંયા ખુરશી પર બેઠા છો, એમાંથી ર કાઢીને તમને ફૂલ ઓન ખુશી મળે એવા કાર્યક્રમની રજૂઆત અમે આજે કરી છે. So let's kick it off, guys. 2021 cultural show. So the very first act is going to be about the festival that just recently passed, and I'm sure you all will recognize, and that is Bolo Ganpati Bappa!
Give you a break, a speech, or a much needed thank you to our team. Cultural event 2021 did not seem possible, but four great people here had a vision, and those are Sunil, Dipali, Neha, and Chetan. Their vision, their determination made this event possible. Today, there were 52 kids, 16 choreographers, and 19 performances, sorry, 18 performances. That could not have been possible without their hard work and dedication. So for here, I give it to Sunil, to say a few words.
Thank you. So hello everyone. Jai Shri Krishna. કેવું છે બધાને મજા આવે છે? Thank you, thank you. So I'm simply enjoying all the acts and there are a lot of coming more. So I'm thank you to committee. They work very hard for this event to make it successful. Plus I'm thanking to Navendu bhai and Siddharth bhai to all the videographies and photographs. Plus wherever you are, our committee members, please stand up so we can give you like
a round of applause for the committee members, please. Please stand up wherever you are. Bharti Ben, stand up. Come on. This is your hour to shine. Come on. Ramesh, hi. Everybody, hi there. Just make sure that you know the committee members. They've worked really hard. Hi, Namrata.
Plus, I want to say all the participants and all the choreographers who also make very good effort to make this event successful. So give big round of applause for all the participants and choreographers. Plus, without the DJ, this choreographer or the participant, they cannot dance. So just say thank you.
A round of applause for the DJ.
One more, I'm saying special thanks to our sponsor Tulsi Restaurant. So they are the one who bring the delicious food today. So they have their restaurant in the LA and they have another restaurant they open in the Northridge. So if you can visit, it's pretty good for them. અને બીજું કે આપણે જે કહેવત છે ગુજરાતીમાં કે આપણે બધા ગુજરાતીના ઘરમાં તુલસી હોય એવી તુલસી આપણે વેલીમાં છે. So it's better to give food over there. I'm giving take over to Neha.
This is an extremely hardworking team that made this event happen. There were many moments where we felt that this was not going to be possible, and the team kept striving on. I have a special request for the future BOD. Please sign us up with the same team again, but not for cultural committee next year. Hiking would be more ideal. We would also like to extend an additional note of gratitude to Niranjan Bhai, who extended his help and support. Our liaison, Shama Desai, was spectacular all the way. And we would like to take this opportunity to announce the upcoming Diwali festival. Save the date, guys. 13th November is the day we have the Diwali festival. We hope to see you all there. Thank you, everybody. Hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Couple of more things from SAVGA board. You already heard that we are going to have Diwali as usual, as planned, with all COVID related precautions being taken on November 13th. Another announcement, we are very sorry to inform you that we will not be doing Navratri this year. It just seems that it is not going to be possible. So we will resume next year in full force. Maybe we'll have 4 days of Diwali, 4 days of Navratri next year. So sorry for missing it this year, but we will make sure that you all have a good time next year. And see you all again back in Diwali. Another important announcement, 4 of the board members, me, Freni, Chintan and Niranjan Bhai would be retiring. And we will be opening our positions for upcoming board volunteers. Look out for an email from nomination committee. We want to have more representation from everywhere. Board is an amazing place to be, to make a difference, to bring people together, to take our community to the next level. So I'm hoping many people to nominate and to join and fill up those board positions. Thank you.
I forgot the one person. Thank you, Vinayak, to doing the MC. Vinayak, come on the stage.
One song, Vinayak.
Hello. I'm sorry. What am I doing? Oh, song. Oh, I did not prepare any song for this. This is, oh boy.
Next time.
Or maybe I can say a शायरी कि ज्या ज्या नजर मारी ठरे यादी भरी थी आपनी कि आंसू मही ये आंख थी यादो झरे छे आपनी कि माशुको ना गालनी लाली मही लाली अने ज्या ज्या गुलो ज्या ज्या चमन त्या त्या निशानी आपनी. All right. So shall we kick it off? All right. Let's go, guys.